Your iPhone's lock screen is like the front door of your house. Even if the door is locked, leaving the windows open makes it easy for someone to peek inside or, worse, slip in. Under Face ID and passcode, if you go to the settings and here Face ID and passcode, now let's enter the passcode. And then here we have, scroll down here, okay, we have allow access when locked. Apple gives you options to use features without unlocking your phone. Convenient, yes, but also risky. Turning certain settings off adds a powerful layer of privacy and security, especially if your iPhone is lost, stolen, or just left unattended. So in this video, I'll show you 5 settings from this list that you need or you should turn them off right now. So let's pick the first one and see what happens. Now, the first one here is Today View and Search. If it is on, anyone who picks up your locked iPhone can swipe right and see widgets like calendar, reminders, notes, or app suggestions. Sensitive info like appointments, emails, or travel plans could be exposed without unlocking. So the first one to be toggled off is that one. The second one, we have Notification Center. Why keep it off? Because with it on, a stranger can swipe down and view your notifications, messages, emails, banking alerts, etc. without unlocking your phone. Even if message previews are hidden, the sender or app names could leak private info. So let's toggle this one off as well. Now, the third one is Control Center, which is really important. Yeah, when iPhone is locked and you have you're able to access Control Center when iPhone is locked. If it is on, anyone can swipe down from the top right corner of your locked iPhone and access quick toggles. For example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, flashlight, etc. A thief could turn on airplane mode, just like that. Right away, your iPhone disconnects from internet, making it harder to find my iPhone to track it. They could also disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mess with other settings, which reduces your ability to locate or secure your device. So the third one, toggle it off, which is Control Center. Now let's see number 4, which is here, which is Siri actually. When enabled, Siri can be activated from the lock screen. That means someone could try asking Siri things like, for example, call mom, what is my next meeting, or even turn on Wi-Fi, which may reveal info or allow limited actions without your passcode. So this one is off as well for better security. The last one here, return missed calls. If it is on, anyone can return a missed call right from the lock screen. No passcode needed. That lets them place calls from your number without permission, which could be misused. So, if you agree with me, guys, let me know in the comments below. Like the video, share with your friends. See you next time. Thanks for watching.